property in South Georgia, and I just got me a Golden's cast iron fire pit. I'm super excited about it. I got my little mini cooker over here that I bought from them. I'm loving it. I don't know if you guys have one, but they're wonderful. They cook the food so good, and we're going to be cooking some food today, and we're actually going to be bricking this thing up and leveling it out and make it look really pretty. So when me and Linda comes out here, we can sit out here and we can watch the sunset. We love it out here. This is just our home away from home, and you know, I kind of researched this. You know, we've had several fire pits out here, but they last about 2 years. You know, this one here is going to last generations. It's really nice. It's solid cast iron. It's very heavy, and we're going to put the brick around it and make it look really pretty. And we got some tools over here we're going to be using. Never done this before. It can't be too hard. You know, I think it's going to be pretty simple. But we're going to get the party started up in here in just a minute. We're going to show you guys how to do it. Kind of like a trial and error thing for us. You know, we've never done it before, but if you want to purchase one, this will kind of give you an idea exactly, you know, how you want to do it. You may have your own ideas. You know, you may learn something from us, and you may not, but I think you will. But anyway, we're ready. All right, guys. So first thing we're gonna do is we found a nice spot where we want to put it. Okay. I like this spot here. We got some shade. We got the sunset, beautiful sunset. That's real important. We can sit out here and watch the sun go down with a nice little fire. Okay. During the day you have nice shade. So you want to get a nice spot. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look and just see how level this ground is. Okay. Then we're going to start working it. Then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to lay out some brick to the shape of the exact where we want the brick to go, and then we're going to go inside and we're going to start leveling that out. Okay. And we're going to lay some sand down. It's real important that the very bottom layer of brick is perfectly level. Otherwise we'll run into problems later. Well, we're getting there. We're getting this level. So we got this board here. I'm going to use this to help me out with the level. I kind of need a longer level, but I don't have it. But I'm going to use this, and we're getting pretty close. Dead on right there. So we've got it level. Using this board, it's dead on. Doesn't have to be exact. I mean, visually it looks good. So now we're going to lay some sand and we're going to start putting our pavers down. So this is where we're at. We've laid our brick down. We got this nice and level. So now we're just laying the brick to the pit itself. So now what we've got these bricks are a little too high. So we're going to drop these down about a ½ inch. And we want to try and tuck it underneath here so it'll have a nice finish. And we're not going to use glue or anything because we want to make sure that we can actually move this at some point if we want to. That's why we use the stand rather than make it where it's a permanent fixture. So this is where we're at. We dug it out. We got it all level. We got our first set of bricks nice and level. Got it, the little lip under there, and now we're going to finish it out and make a fire.